Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's called Auphonic. It is automatic audio post-production web service for podcasts, broadcasters, radio shows, movies, and screencasts. You can come to this website. There are various level of pricing that is available here. So there's this free version. So the free version is free of for use for around 2 hours per month. So let me show you some of the audio examples that you can see. They have following algorithm that are discussed. They have adaptive leveler, phonic multi-track algorithms, global loudness normalization, true peak limited, noise and his reduction, hum reduction, automatic speech recognition audio search. So you can go into detail of each of these things and identify what is. So the phonic adaptive leveler corrects the level of difference between speakers, between music and speech, and applies the dynamic range compression to achieve a balanced overall loudness. So this is the unprocessed sound. You can see here audio.
This is a recording on a mobile phone to demonstrate the Auphonic adaptive.
Now you see this.
This is a recording on a mobile phone to demonstrate the Auphonic.
You see the difference? Now you can see processed with adaptive leveler and noise reduction.
This is a recording on a mobile phone to demonstrate the.
So the second demonstration file is of podcast. The interview includes multiple speakers with noticeable level differences and background sounds. Okay, so now you can see here.
Ja, zu dieser Frage haben wir uns einfach mal 3 Akteure rausgenommen. Das war zum einen.
Now you see this with processed with adaptive leveler.
Ja, zu dieser Frage haben wir uns einfach mal 3 Akteure rausgenommen. Das war zum einen.
The third example that I'll show you is a report of. Let's start with a live conference. So the recording includes music that is too loud and has bad encoding quality. So this is one. So you see the difference there. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.